If you want to clone an app on OPPO Find X9, then first of all we can go to Settings. Now in here in Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps option, and then in here we have the App Cloner. We need to press Agree and Continue once you go over here for the first time. You might see some suggested apps that you can immediately clone just by selecting them over here, and then we have the Create App Clone option. You can also go to Other Apps in order to find some apps that might not be visible immediately, and you can clone them as well. So let's say I'm gonna go to Get TikTok and I'm gonna create the clone over here, and there we go. We can change the app name over here for the cloned version. We can also choose to default the original app all the time or the cloned version instead. And also if we go back, we have advanced settings where we have the troubleshooting option in case something is not working properly. There are also these three dots which allow us to delete app clones in here. And that's pretty much it. So now if we go back to the app drawer, there we go, we have the cloned version. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.